So guys, in this video we will see how to fix Proton VPN not working. So guys, if you're facing such type of issue, so you just follow this video. First of all guys, check your internet connection and server. Often the issue lie your basic internet connection or the specified VPN server so you are try to connect. So first of all, confirm your device has stable internet connection without the VPN. Close and then reopen the Proton VPN application. Try connecting to the several different Proton VPN server locations and switch to free server if you are on paid plan to test the basic connectivity. Also restart your router and modem to refresh your network. Then guys, adjust VPN protocol and DNS settings. Open the Proton VPN app and go to its setting menu and navigate to the connection and advanced tab. Then guys, change the VPN protocol. Manually set your device DNS to a public resolver like Google DNS and reboot your device after changing your DNS settings. Then guys, disable firewall and antivirus temporarily. Your system security software might be inadvertently blocking Proton VPN from stabilizing a connection. Access your operating system built-in firewall settings. Temporarily disable the firewall for a few minutes and open your third-party antivirus software. Temporarily disable the real-time protection or add an exception for Proton VPN. Attempt to connect to Proton VPN again. And remember to re-enable your security software afterward. After that, clear your app cache and reinstall from the Proton. And close the Proton VPN application completely. Then go to your device application setting or control panel. Uninstall the Proton VPN from your system and restart your computer or the device and download the latest version of the Proton VPN from their official website. Perform a fresh installation of the application and log in and try connecting again. Then guys, check your account status and contact support. Verify your subscription is active, and if all fails, Proton VPN support team can provide the tailored assistance. Visit the official Proton website and log in to your account dashboard and verify that your subscription is active has not expired. Check for any message or alerts regarding your account types and ensure you are using the correct login credentials in the app. If the issue persists, contact the Proton VPN support with your troubleshooting steps and provide the detailed information about your device and the problem. So guys, thank you.